Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a simple but delicious breakfast. Sausage and a fried egg tucked between the slices of a brown bread. Then I'm going to be toasting this on my little grill. Nothing fancy, just real comfort food, my friend. And before we get started, I just want to say a big thank you to all of you for your support. It really means the world to me. So first, I'm starting with the sausage, and here are all my ingredients. I'm going to be using egg, the sausage, the brown bread, and I will need some salt and some ground pepper for the egg. Okay, so I would like to cook them slowly, as you can see, so they get that perfect golden color without burning. You can already hear that sizzle. No, you can't hear it. Okay. Sizzle is one of my favorite sound in the kitchen. I'm just turning them every few minutes to make sure they cook evenly, okay? Breakfast doesn't have to be complicated, my friend. Sometimes the simplest thing tastes the best. You get it. While the sausage finish up, I'm cracking an egg into the pan, okay? And at the same time, I'm going to be checking on the sausage. I'm keeping it simple, guys. Just a light fry. I love when the edges get crispy, but the yolk stays soft, okay? Let me know in the comments how you love your egg. I want to know because I know that everyone has their own style, okay? So let me know how you love your egg. Is it fried? Is it scrambled? Is it sunny side up? Let's know in the comment section, okay? Now that everything is cooked, my egg is ready. The sausage roll, of course, is ready. I've already turned off the heat, so I'm just packing it in a bowl and I'm going to be separating it in my children's bowl later. Okay, it's time to put it all together. Now I'm using brown bread today. Okay, so the brown bread is for my parents normally. And I'm going to be adding the egg in the brown egg. Okay, so I'm going to be toasting it in my little toasting toaster. I'm placing the fried egg inside and adding the sausage. I'm not going to add the sausage in the bread. The sausage and egg are for my children. They love it simple like that. But the brown bread and the egg are for my parents, okay? I'm going to close it up and place it on my grill. It's not really a regular toaster, but it does the job, okay? Perfectly. Just a few minutes until it gets warm and lightly crispy. Voila! And there is this simple homemade breakfast ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you again to all my viewers, and your support means the world to me. Thank you so much, and I love creating this little cooking moment with you all, and I will see you soon. Bye.